In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop sharing a file in Google Drive. If you've previously shared a file and want to make sure it's no longer accessible to others, I'll guide you through each step to restrict access. First, you'll need to navigate to the Google Drive homepage. Open your web browser and type in Google Drive, then hit Enter. Once you're on the Google search results page, look for the official link to Google Drive and give it a click. If you're not already logged in, you'll be prompted to select your Google account. Make sure to choose the correct account associated with the file you want to adjust sharing settings for. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on your Drive's homepage. Now locate the file you want to stop sharing. You can either search for it using the search bar at the top or browse through your files manually. Once you've found the file, you'll notice 3 small dots to its right side. This is your Actions menu. Click on those 3 dots to open up additional options. In the menu that appears, locate the option labeled Share and select it. Clicking Share will open up the sharing settings for that specific file. Here, you'll be able to view the current access settings. Look for the text or button that says Anyone with the link. This indicates that currently, anyone with the link to your file can access it, which isn't ideal if you're looking to stop sharing. To change this setting, click on Anyone with the link. This will present you with additional options. What we want to do here is select Restricted. By setting your file to Restricted, only specific people can access it, and those without permission will no longer be able to view or open the file. This effectively stops any unintended sharing that may have been occurring. Finally, to ensure that your changes take effect, look for a Save button, typically found at the bottom right of the sharing settings window. Click Save to confirm your updated settings. Remember, if you've allowed access to specific people and still want to change that, you can do so by removing their email addresses from the list. This gives you complete control over who has access to your file moving forward. And there you have it. You've successfully stopped sharing your file in Google Drive by limiting access to those you've specifically chosen. If you need to adjust these settings in the future, just follow these same steps. Thanks for tuning in, and happy managing of your files.